The 4ARTapp provides a host of advantages to the full spectrum of participants in the art world. But all art, regardless of its story or value, has a single beginning: the artist. Let's take a look at the benefits the 4ARTapp brings to an artist. He has just finished and signed his new artwork. Once the artist registers his artwork with the 4ARTapp, his copyright is recorded immediately with a timestamp, in addition to ruling out any further counterfeiting or provenance questions, ensuring long-term security for the copyright holder. With each secured artwork, the artist's collection grows and automatically creates an advanced digital catalog resume. The 4ARTapp offers both emerging and established artists an easy-to-use professional solution to manage their works, ensure their security and originality, update documentation, and interact with gallerists and collectors around the world. For the artists and their collectors, certainty is value. Speaking of galleries, gallerists and their registrars benefit greatly by using the 4ARTapp for their daily tasks, as well as offering their clients an innovative product that answers their future needs. It enables gallerists and art dealers to offer their customers and collectors a modern and future-oriented due diligence standard that has been highly sought after with regard to security, authenticity, and transparency. The 4ART Passport ensures the all-encompassing DNA, including fingerprint provenance and significant work-related data, is transferred and maintained with the 4ARTapp during each sale or transaction. Furthermore, all documentation, status, and condition reports are standardized and easy to handle. Art fair and exhibition logistics are digitized and significantly streamlined, saving time and money with unprecedented high-end standards.